you will be having a vast stuff, and the request here is homework చేసేటప్పుడు ఒక request. Don't ask with someone. You do by yourself. బూతులైనా పర్లేదు, బూతులైనా పర్లేదు. ఎందుకు నేను ఇది అంటున్నానంటే ఇంకొకరిని అడిగారు అనుకోండి మీకు తెలిసిపోతుంది, వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు. ఆర్ డూ ఏ హోంవర్క్ స్టాఫ్ అంటే రీసెర్చ్ వర్క్ అని ఏదైనా చేయండి. ఎందుకు దీనివల్ల అంటే వెన్ యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ సమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ సమ్వేర్ ఇట్ రియలీ హెల్ప్స్ యూ ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చేస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కటి మీరు ఆండ్రాయిడ్ మొత్తం డెవలప్మెంట్లో ఈ చివరి నుంచి ఆ చివరి వరకు ఇట్ విల్ covers you every step, every pinpoint. Okay, now we have done something called as one text box and a button. Is it right? So we have seen how XML works over there and how we see all the steps, every step 1 to step here. Actually, when we compare this to our .NET, we done only from the toolbox we taken the text box and drag it into your form, and a button, drag it into your form. Only this part we took around 1 hour's time. Now let me do the button.click event. How to do this event? Okay, there is a one word here, we call it as a indent. We call it as indent. What is this indent? Indent is nothing but an action. Okay, until now we see a UI. How to develop a UI. So we can see what we want. We have seen what we want. To display that, we written out the code. So we have seen two types of things. One is match parent, and second one is wrap content. Okay, what is the difference between these two? We will see. Match parent is, here is the Android device size. It will text from corner to corner. Means in your what you call it as in your .NET, we will see like a full frame, full view or something. That is called as a match parent. But if I give the same match parent at this place, wrap content, if I give, what happens? What it will do is, here the enter text is there, is it? It will go full. Then it won't look like a text box. It will look like something different. So if you want to test it, do it. No problem. Do it and check it. You will know the difference. And now, one area we already given match parent, and in the place of the match parent means word wrap content, we put a match parent example. Now there is another button where this has to go. To align this one, even now also in your view, you see like this. There is a space here, and it has been shrink. Now I don't want to look like that. Actually, anything which we do should look like a bit of a professionalism. Here shows how professional you are. Now how to align the button until here and a button box here. We will see the next step, how to do that. Okay, now let me see the next step in the view. Okay, can you go to your linear layout view? There is a one thing, layout width. Can you see that? So change it to 1. Okay, what is this 1 and 0, 2? Okay, we are preparing this indent. Okay, we call it as a tab index. Remember? Yes. 1, 2, 0, etc. Okay, tab index is one area where you are identifying each control. Next, a control which we are specifying, 0 becomes any time also the background. Remember this. So 1 is this, and you can change it to 2. Choice is yours. But at this point, we need only this part of the zone to be aligned. So what we are preparing is, we are assigning this from here to here, a part of the button. Now we are specifying one more thing, is called as the second one. You see, layout width. Before whatever you written, there is no weight. there is no wait, you need to write it. In the edit text, you need to write it. You need to type it. Now, you see we have seen a width before. In the text width, even the width is also assigned as a wrap content. Is right. Now what we are doing is, if I do as a wrap content, it is covering up the wrap content. What is the size of it? Means we have typed something and the content which is there, it wrapped until that place. Remember this. The content is there, wrapped until. But I don't want that. I want until this place. So I am specifying it as a 0dp. So what this 0dp assigns is, it takes the first one, which is the weight of it, and the second one, which is the button. It identifies the zone and creates a 0 margin value. Creates a 0 margin value. We will be going a bit depth when we are designing these things. Not an issue, just have a look of it and type and check it. Now save it and run the program again.
It will.
Let everyone enjoy the environment. And one more thing. The biggest drawback with this emulator is, don't close every time. No need. You keep it aside. Automatically, when you are compiling this one, the last compiled will be shown to you. Okay, no problem with that. When you close, you have to wait until the thing is on again. Now you will be seeing like this. Okay, before what we see is like this. Okay. Yeah, okay.